Metal kids, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. What is going on? It is Friday. We got a new box from Carrera Slots. We're going to open it. Here we go. All right, we got our new overhead metal view. That's right, metal view, patented, right here. You heard it today. All right, this is going to be a slightly quick unboxing. I already know what's in here. And sadly, I'm going to disappoint you guys when I open this. It will far exceed your expectations. Oh, wait a minute, I said that wrong. Anyway, it's all good. 2 cards. Excellent. All right, so there's 4 sets of tires here. 2 sets for the M1 cars. 1 set for Kurt's Corvette. 1 set for Den's GT. And another set for I don't remember what. Oh, they're for a car Dave's got coming. And then we've got another 2 sets here. These tires are for these 2. So, very cool. Carrera Slots is the best. If you guys don't work with them, you should. I will send a link down below in the comments. So, what I'm going to disappoint you guys is this. I'm going to open these separate. One of these is Dave's, one of these is mine. I think that's Dave's. And I think this one's mine, but yeah. Anyways. So tomorrow, there will be an unboxing up for one of these, but not 2. Dave's not feeling well. So, and tonight is race night. So we're going to be filming some races. We're going to do one dark race at a request of one of our followers and all that. That'll be kind of fun. And we're gonna film these and put them up later for separate individual watching. We may go live shortly. We may not. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Happy Friday. Race your slot cars. Be a kid as often as possible. Remember, there's no wrong way to slot car. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on metal.